Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can view your friends' activity on Spotify. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. How to view friends' activity on Spotify. In today's tutorial video, I will simply show you how you can show or hide the friends activity on Spotify, so make sure to watch this video till the end. The very first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and then open up the Spotify application on your desktop. So go ahead and then simply type in Spotify in your search box and open it up. Once you open Spotify, you can see sort of after you log in that this is how it is going to look like. If you look at the right hand side, you'll be able to see let friends and followers on Spotify see what you're listening to. Then what we will do is simply tap on settings over here, which you see on the right hand corner. As you go to settings over here, we want to find the option which says display, and as you can see this option which says display, and under it you also have this option which says see what your friends are playing. And in order to view our friends activity, we have to simply turn on this toggle. If it is turned off, it's going to get grayed out as you could see, and if it is turned on, it is going to get highlighted in green. Now once you turn it on, you'll be able to see all of your friends activities. Now you might also want to connect with Facebook, so you can see connect with Facebook to see what your friends are playing. So tap on connect with Facebook and go ahead and then simply either enter your email address, your password, and log into your account in order to go ahead and then simply connect your Facebook account to Spotify. But after you turn this toggle on, basically you would be able to see your friends activity, and your friends will also be able to see your listening activity on Spotify. And this is how you can view your friends activity on the Spotify app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.